What's going on? Joe Bush here to talk about diesel exhaust fluid. And no, this is not the same category as blinker fluid. This will be a quick video on what DEF is and why it's important. Diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, is a solution that is used in diesel-powered vehicles that aids in the reduction of harmful emissions to the environment. So specifically, it lowers oxides of nitrogen, or NOx, that are released into the atmosphere. NOx emissions are typically caused by excessive air in combustion process and is a common byproduct of gasoline and diesel-powered engines. You will find the port in which to fill the DEF tank on a vehicle clearly labeled near the fuel cap. It is blue in color, and the tanks range in size but usually don't have more than 3 to 5 gallons capacity. As you can see here, it is clearly labeled to the right as diesel exhaust fluid. The port is also smaller in size so that you shouldn't be able to fit a fuel nozzle in there. One of the biggest things about DEF is try not to overpay for this stuff. When it comes to what it's composed of, all of these are really the same solution throughout most all brands. And if it's certified in all catalytic converter systems, it's all going to be the same. And prices do vary quite a bit. This Walmart brand was $10 for 2.5 gallons. If you purchase from a dealer, you can pay upwards of $40 for this 2.5 gallon. Now, filling it up is pretty easy, just like you would a fuel. But if the vent on the tube does not work, always a little bit of persuasion with a little extra vent tool always helps. DEF is essential to clean up harmful emissions into the atmosphere. It is injected directly into the exhaust pipeline and changes the NOx emissions chemically into water and nitrogen, which are both harmless on their own. DEF also allows us to keep diesel engines longer into the future without serious harm to the environment. Thank you guys for watching for this quick video on DEF. I really appreciate you taking the time to stop by. This has been Not a Tech Show. See ya.